Here's the aftermath. She's trying to dry herself off by flapping her wings. She also does not like being near the drain. She is absolutely soaking wet, but as you can see, the like gunk and stuff going down the drain, she's completely clean. It's gonna be one happy birdie, and next is
her biggest foe, the blow dryer.
I swear to God, every time I try to blow dry, she tries to peck the thing. Now, this is not animal cruelty. She always has poo stuck to her feathers. I don't know how she does that. But she always gets poo stuck to her back feathers and her butt feathers. I don't know if she just sprays it around or something, or if she rolls in it, but gotta keep her clean one way or another. BRB with part 4. See you later, my little lambs.